So let's proceed to number 9. 1 over x minus 1/4 all over x minus 4 as limit as x approaches to 4. So it is also in indeterminate form. So let's further simplify. So we'll have a limit as x approaches to 4. So for this one, we will combine these two terms. So the numerator, so its common factor is 4x. So 4x divided x is just equals to 4 minus 4x divided 4 is just equals to x times 1 is just equal to x all over x minus 4, right? So after this one, we will this 4x we will transfer it to the denominator. So we'll have a limit as x approaches to 4. So 4 minus x all over 4x multiplied by x minus 4. So after this one, we will notice that the x minus 4 in the denominator is just equal to the terms of in the numerator but has opposite sign. So we'll divide negative 1 for the numerator. So we'll have a negative 1. So negative x divided negative is just equals to x. So x minus 4. So all over 4x multiplied by x minus 4. So we'll cancel x minus 4. So the remaining will be limit. So now direct substitute x, right? So negative 1 all over 4x. So we'll have limit as x approaches to 4. So we'll have, so it's not, can be not will not write limit because we'll have a substitution to x. So negative 4 multiplied by 4, right? So the answer will be negative 1 all over 16. So this will be now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. So answer is negative 1 all over 16. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to number 11. So let's proceed to number 11. So x minus 3, limit of x minus 3 all over square root of x minus 2 minus square root of 4 minus x as x approaches to 3. So we'll answer this one. So we have, so to further evaluate this one, we'll also have its conjugate. We'll divide both sides, numerator and denominator, by the conjugate of denominator. So we'll have limit as x approaches to 3. So x minus 3 all over square root of x minus 2 minus square root of 4 minus x. So divide both sides by its conjugate. So x minus 2 plus square root of 4 minus x all over square root of x minus 2 plus square root of 4 minus x. So we'll have further evaluation. So x, so we'll divide, so we'll combine these two. So x minus 3 multiply by square root of x minus 2 plus square root of 4 minus x. So all over, so opposite signs. So this is opposite signs and the same, they have the same term. So it is difference of two squares. So we'll have the square root will be cancelled. So we'll have x minus 2 minus 4 minus x, right? So we'll have further simplification. So limit as x approaches to 3. So x minus 3, just copy the numerator. So x minus 2 plus square root of 4 minus x. So all over. So x minus 2. So we'll distribute the negative sign. So minus 4 plus x, right? So we'll have limit as x approaches to 3. So we'll have x minus 3. So square root of x minus 2 plus square root of 4 minus x all over. So x plus x is just equals to 2x. So negative 2 minus 4 is just equals to negative 6. So we'll have further simplification. So limit as x approaches to 3. Just copy also the numerator. So square root of x minus 2 plus square root of 4 minus x. So we'll factor 2x minus 6. So its factor will be 2. So 2. So 2x minus 3. Right? So we'll cancel x minus 3. Both numerator and denominator. So we'll have limit as x approaches to 3. So we'll have the remaining will be square root of x minus 2 plus square root of 4 minus x all over 2. So we'll now direct substitution to the value 3. So square root of 3 minus 2 plus square root of 4 minus 3 all over 2. So further simplification, we have what is the square root of 3 minus 1? 3 minus 2 is just equals to 1. So square root of 1. So we'll have square root of 1 plus square root of 4 minus 3 is just equal to square root of 1 all over 2. So further simplification, so square root of 1 is just equal to 1. So plus square root of 1 is just equals to 1 all over 2. So we'll further simplify. 1 plus 1 is just equals to 2 over 2, or the final answer will be 1, right? So this will be now our final answer. We'll check if our answer is correct. So 1. So our answer is 1. So our answer here is correct.